Hello, welcome to another 2-minute tips video. In this video I'm going to look at the use of the aspect ratio crop overlay in Lightroom. Hello, welcome to iansstudio. I'm Ian Butterfield. In my last 2-minute tips video I looked at some of the shortcut keys and power tools within the crop functionality within Lightroom. Today I want to just look at how we would use the aspect ratio overlay. Well, the first thing to say about it is, why on earth do we need it? Because if you want to crop to a particular aspect ratio, say 8:10, actually you don't need an overlay for that because it's always going to do that. You can't do anything to change the aspect ratio on that. It fixes it at that when you do it. Now, the reason you might want it is if you were doing a custom crop. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to crop to my image rather than to the aspect ratio. Now, I might want to make sure that this blue dome is in my image, even if I wanted to then do prints. And I might not know what size print that I want, but I want to crop it with the knowledge that I'm not going to lose that particular detail. So I can see here, I think, well, maybe a more panoramic view on this will work better. So as I bring the bottom up on it, you can see here that, having brought it up, that if I wanted to print this 4:5, a 10:8 to print effectively, I would lose half the blue dome. For a 5:7, I'd lose 3/4 of it. For a 2:3, then I would just about get it in there. So it gives me that confidence to know what type of print my crop's going to work for. Yes, you can offset when you actually print, but this gives you the idea of the default in the middle. So that's where you would use it. So I could choose, well, maybe if I bring this in a little bit more on that side, now I know for all my standard aspect ratios, I'm always going to have the blue dome in there. I've got the confidence that that crop will work. So I'm just going to say close on there. Quite like that actually. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next 2-minute tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here so you'll get notified of future videos. Up here is a playlist of videos similar to this one, and here's one specific video that I think you will like, whereas down here is one that YouTube thinks you'll like. Until next time, keep making great photos. Bye for now.